Hello everyone, this is Max from maxEmbedded, and today we are going to demonstrate how we can use the GPIO pins of a Raspberry Pi to blink LEDs. So to start with, I've connected two cables, the two wires, into the first pin and sixth pin, as you can see over here. The first pin is the VCC pin, whereas the sixth pin is the ground. So the first pin gives out 5 volts supply, whereas the sixth pin gives ground. So when you connect it to the LED over here, you can see that the LED is glowing, obviously. The connections for the LED circuit, you can find it on the website. So now I've written a simple code over here to blink an LED, and you can choose your pin. Which pin do you want to blink? How many number of times you want to blink, and at what rate. For how much duration do you want the LED to blink. So I'll show you how it works, and I've written the code over here and saved it. It's written in Python 2.7.3. Some of the functions, the way it's written, it's not compatible with Python 3. So we go to the terminal window and we type sudo. The name of the file is Blinky, BLINKY sudo Python, because we want to run using Python, Blinky.py. And it asks you which pin do you want to blink. Let's say we want to blink 7th pin. So we take out and connect it to the pin number 7 over here, and we enter 7. The number of times you want to blink, let's say we want to blink it 20 times, and the duration of each blink, let's say we want to wiggle the pin every like 1 second. So you can see the LED blinking every 1 second over here, and as the LED is blinking, you can see the same thing being printed over here. It's a little slow because it has to blink 20 times, and the pin toggles every 1 second, which means for the LED to blink 20 times, it will take 40 seconds because it has to switch on and off. It's blinking, 18, 19, and that's the last one, 20. And it stops. And so does over here. And we can also configure, like if you want to blink it on some other pin, we can do the same. Let's say we want to blink it on pin number, say 26. That's the last pin. So we first we disconnect from here, and we connect it to the last pin, that's pin number 26. And number of times to blink, let's say 20, and duration of each blink, let's say it's 0.2 seconds. So it's pretty fast now, you can see. And as it's going over here, it also prints the same thing on the screen. There you go, it ends. So this was a simple example of how you can control your GPIO pins of your Raspberry Pi using Python. And so that's it pretty much. Thanks for watching.